SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I mean, the weather's not perfect, but I'm off to Ashburton to then go from Ashburton to Haytor on Dartmoor as a sort of car meet. It's been arranged by a guy called Johnny, who has a Subaru Forester that's very modded and beautiful. And hopefully, you know, I'll meet some people, I'll get some filming done, and yeah, it should be quite fun. It's 5 to 8 in the evening right now. I've got to get there for 8:30. I'm gonna have to set my cameras up and all that jazz. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So continue to watch. I'm sure there'll be something worthwhile viewing. I want to go behind these guys. So I've met up with the guys. There's a good few Subarus. And so I thought I'll stick behind some Subarus because they can show me where it might end up being a bit messy. Because it could be, because we're on the moors. And people just pull out in front of you, which is really irritating. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna essentially not film me talking, and we're just gonna have some nice, lovely, let's say, time lapse. Oh, that was too close. Not doing that fast again. That was fucking, I nearly slammed. That would have been bad. I took that way too quickly. Should've got more petrol. Regret not getting more petrol. Really do regret it.
Yeah. And then you can normally see
Yeah, it was alright actually.
So excuse the darkness, it is 20 to 11 at night. I've just got back. Yeah, it was great. You know, I mean, it was certainly a baptism of fire. There was some tight corners, yeah. I was driving a bit too fast at some points, trying to keep up with four-wheel drive Subarus, which in a front-wheel drive, relatively large car is probably a bad idea. And almost was a bad idea, but everything was fine in the end. Oh, that was too close. Sound guys, really, really good guys. Great selection of Jap cars on show, you know. But again, four-wheel drive Subarus. I'm in a two-wheel drive Honda, which is fine, you know, front-wheel drive, but it was really foggy, and I'm not used to driving this car. I'm not yet, you know, I've had it for 6 weeks. I'm not 100% used to the way it handles. Like, you know, I'm learning every time I drive it, and that was definitely a learning experience, and I feel far more engaged with the car, and I already was engaged with the car. I feel far more engaged with the car than I did before. So 100% worthwhile, really enjoyable drive out. That's what it's called, a drive out, and my first one with a group of Jap cars, and it was awesome. So I will be doing it again, and you know, I wasn't going to shove the camera in people's faces and go, tell me about your car, when it was cold and foggy on Haytor, on Dartmoor. You know, I wasn't going to do that, but the more I go on, the more I'll get to know the guys, and hopefully the more access I'll get to knowing them and their cars. So yeah, I think a really enjoyable 2.5 hours, and yeah, great way to spend a Saturday night, as that's when this happened. But if you did enjoy the video, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, check out SULKNATIONtv on Facebook and Project Sulk on Instagram. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that.